He used to look up, at the sky, at people's faces, at life. But now, he only looks down, always at that screen, scrolling, clicking, waiting for something. He doesn't even know what anymore. The world calls his name, but he flinches, like it's interrupting something sacred, or worse, something safe. He tells himself, just 5 more minutes, but time slips, and the light from the screen becomes the only light he trusts. His eyes are tired, his hands restless, his mind quiet but never peaceful. Then one day, he looks up, just for a second, and he sees what he's been missing. But no one's there anymore.